What is up, you guys? So in today's video, what I really want to talk about is how you can open up your LLC in literally 5 minutes, get your business going, get your business established legally, so you can open up your business credit card, your business bank account, all that good stuff, which you'll be able to do that all within like 5 minutes after watching this video. So let me go and show you guys exactly how to do it. But before we get started, right, I want to talk to you guys briefly about what you really need and what makes you an established business, right? So you're going to need these two documents pretty much to just get established, to open a credit card, business bank account. You're going to need to establish your LLC, and you're also going to need to get your EIN number. What is an EIN number? The EIN number is the number that your business has. It's almost like the social security number of your business. Just keep that in mind. You get that from the IRS. And the LLC, you file the LLC in which state you're in, right? So for me, I'm in Florida. I would be making the LLC in Florida. It all varies from state to state. You know, like let's say you're in New York, right? That's a different filing, and it's all different prices, right? So the state charges for Florida $125. I believe for Texas, it's about like a little bit over $300. It might be like $350. I think California is like $75. Every state has a different filing fee, right? Just keep that in mind. And you always have to renew your LLC every year to keep it established. Okay, let me show you guys how to do the whole process literally in 5 minutes. I'm going to have also the link of this in the description down below, so you can follow along with this whole video, get your business established, do all of that good stuff along with me. So like I said, link in the description down below as well as in the pinned comments, and let's get started. So in front of me here, right, let's put this here. In front of me here, I have Zen Business. Highly recommend you to use this if you're starting up your LLC. So let me just walk you through how to do it. You want to have a business name already in mind when you are starting, right? So for me, I sell full-time on Amazon. That's what I do. I sell on Amazon. So if you ever wanted to sell or learn how to sell on Amazon also, you could check out my whole YouTube channel where I teach you guys how to do it all from scratch. But let's just put a name here, Midtown Power Seller. Let's say we want to make an LLC like this, right? We could just without the LLC because it's going to put it in for us already. So let me show you guys how to do it. Let's do it here. Let's make this a capital, right? And you're going to put the state you want to file in. I recommend you file in your state where you live. That's like the most ideal thing to do. So for me, I live in Florida, so we're going to put Florida here. How much experience do you have running a business? I have some. Will you have employees in the first year? I'm going to put no, it's just me because I sell online, so it's just me doing it. Will your business address be different from your home address? So let's say if you have a retail store or a storefront, you know, you're going to put yes, it might be different. For me, I always use my home address for my LLC. So it all varies from person to person. When I sell online, it doesn't really matter as much. You could also maybe eventually down the line get a PO box if you want to be more, you know, secretive and like more, you know, not have your information out in the public. So will your business, and I'm going to put no here, right? How far along is your business? I'm going to plan on launching soon, 1 to 2 months. What are your business goals? For me, it's always going to be my primary income. That's my goal here. So we're going to click next. And what kind of business are you forming? So when selling online, it's e-commerce. So I'm going to put here e-commerce. But, you know, put the industry that you are in. Let's say you have all of these, you know, select what's the industry you're in. Take your time with it. I'm going to put e-commerce for myself. And we're going to click next. Do you want to save the progress? Nope, skip. And now, this, you might get a little bit confused here, so I want to address this, right? Appoint your state required registered agent. For me, I'm always my own registered agent. I'm always the manager of the LLC, the owner. So I always appoint myself as the registered agent. This would only work to appoint somebody else as a registered agent would only work if, like, let's say, maybe for some tax benefits, if you want to file an LLC in Wyoming and all this stuff. Like, but I would say like 95 to 99% of the people or that are watching this video will appoint themselves as the registered agent. I don't recommend, to maybe when you get big down the line, your CPA gives you some like some strategies here and there, but I would honestly just appoint myself as the registered agent. So, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Which I want to appoint someone else, which is yourself. So, next. Okay, now it's going to talk about the packages that they offer, right? So what I like about ZenBusiness is that they don't charge you to use their service, right? But they do charge if you want like really fast, like expedited filing. But you can see the starter, they don't charge you anything to use their service. They only charge the state filing fee, which you are required to pay by the state. Like I said, every state filing fee has a different, payment. Like Florida's $125, California I believe $75, Texas like $350 or something like that. So what the starter you get is you file in 1 to 2 weeks, which it is a bit of time for sure, but it's good if you want to get your business established and everything. Then they have the Pro here, which is $199 extra. But what's good about it is that you file in 5 to 6 days, and they also do the EIN number for you. So to get the EIN number, what you're going to need to do is first establish an LLC, and then you register the EIN number on the IRS website. It's really fast and easy to get the EIN number. I'll also have a video for that, I'll try to make it one. I'll have it in the description down below once I make it. But yeah, the EIN number is pretty easy to get. But if you're not tech savvy, if you just want to get started and going, then maybe check out the Pro. The starter also offers the EIN number as well for $99 later on. Like, let me show you here really quick. You click the starter, right? And then let's just skip this really quick here so I can show you. You can see this. Look, save money on your EIN. Just get the EIN for $99. So if you just want the EIN number for $99, and you're okay with waiting for 2 to 3 weeks, then great. If you want to pay a little extra, you can do the $199, get it done really fast, less than a week, and you also get the EIN number. Or you have the option of not paying at all for their service, and after you get the EIN number yourself. All depends and varies on your situation, right? So let's say for this example, we want to use the Pro because we want to get our business established. We're really serious about growing a long-term business, and we have everything ready. So we want the Pro. So let's click next here. And now they're going to ask a couple of add-ons like, do you want a business bank account? I'm going to click no thanks. Do you want bookkeeping? No thank you. Or your website builder? Nope. You don't need anything of this. And now you're going to put your personal info. I'm just going to put random stuff because Lopez, because J. Lopez. Just because this is an example and I don't want people spamming me. So, okay. Now we're going to click review order. And now like I said, we did the Pro for $199 and we did the Florida filing. So like if you did the starter, it would be $0 here and it would just be the total of $125. Literally all depends on your situation. Then you just click continue payment, make the payment, and you have your LLC established. Really fast and easy to get your business started. With this, after you do all of this, you'll be able to get your business bank account, business credit card, have an established business, and yeah, it's really fast and easy. If you have any questions regarding any of this video, leave a comment down below. I'll help you guys out as much as possible. Also, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new. All this information is always free for you guys. And if you want to learn how to sell on Amazon, check out my other videos. I literally teach you guys how to do it all for free. I've been selling for 8 years. I'm actually making over $1,000 net profit every day. Like last year I hit 1.6 million in sales, which is crazy. I mean, that is crazy to me. I don't know how I got here, but I'm doing it. So if you want to learn how to do that, check it out. Yeah, that's about it. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys, and that's about it. See you guys on the next one. Peace.